So currently right now we're at AIM Norfolk. We are doing a career fair.
This whole event is about AIM graduates, AIM students, finding them employment, getting them into the workforce.
We've hired some mechanics out of this school, so again today our hope is to come in and encourage students that are getting ready to graduate.
We have a couple openings right now that students could be a good fit for.
AIM students are a great fit for our company. We find that they are very well trained.
They're so disciplined in what they do.
AIM really provides like the basis of just technical knowledge.
The program here, we feel like it's training up great mechanics.
Great students here. They are what we essentially look for.
The school is geared towards entry-level mechanics, and I like that point. Glad I went to the school. It really advanced my career.
My experience at AIM was life-changing, actually. Came here to get a new career, and that's why I'm back here now.
I started out doing normal college at first, and it didn't really work out. It didn't really click with me. And then I tried this because it was at my high school career fair, and when I got here and did a couple classes, it really fit like who I am and what I like to do.
I was actually greeted with open arms when I was asking about taking the program. So I drove myself from Illinois out to here, and the rest is history. So,
yeah, I recommend it if you're really interested in getting a good career. This is a good place to come.
To AIM, thank you so much for all that you do.
Thank you again for having us today. It is a pleasure.
Thank you for having us. We're really excited to be here.
All the AIM facilities have been incredibly welcoming.
As of right now, this is our 14 of 14 schools. I think we've hit them all. So very excited. We love the AIM schools.
Keep making great mechanics for our company and others as well.
Keep on aiming high. We love being a part of the AIM family, and as long as you'll have us, we love to be here.
thank you for what you guys have done, and really glad to hear you guys are doing well, especially with the new facility you got here in Norfolk. So keep it up.
Thank you so much for preparing me for this and getting me into this industry. I never thought I'd be here, to be honest, and it really changed my life direction. Doing very well for myself and for my family, so thank you.